spider. She only shows you what she wants.
Then tell me what you wish to see.
MINAS ITHIL still standing.
Always so selfless. Nothing more. We saw some troubling things last time, didn't we?
I want to know my fate with the Nazgul.
Be careful what you ask for, Ranger. With prophecy comes torment.
We take the city at dawn! Submit to your destiny. I know what you fear, Talion. Shelob's vision is not cast in stone. The Witch King. It is the power of domination. The ring can enslave the minds of men. What can be done? Sacrifices must be made, and many will be lost. But we must hold to our purpose, no matter what the cost. Lives can be saved. If the Warchief from my vision is the same one Baranor and his men are hunting, they will need help.
One Warchief makes little difference.
Right now, this one Warchief is the most immediate threat to MINAS ITHIL. I will not stand by while Baranor and his men risk their lives to take him down. Baranor, I'm here to help. This Warchief you're after, he's not one to be taken lightly.
We've brought down Warchiefs before, Ranger. But I won't turn down an extra sword.
And we shall take him down together. I'll take out his archers first. Your men move in after I've cleared the path.
I think I saw that big spider again. Huge eyes gleaming back at us. I wish I was with the siege beast crews. Oh, I can't. Set them up is too dangerous. Too much can go wrong.
We usually work alone. I hope the aim of these Gondorian archers is true. Otherwise, we'll be dodging friendly arrows.
They're experienced soldiers. They'll do their part.
Better than me? I'm better than me. I'm the best.
An elven archer would be worth 3 Gondorian archers.
Really? Only 3? Never underestimate men fighting to protect their home.
This is not their home.
She's so long. I'm ready to get killed. Oh no.
That's the last of the archers.
Now let's get to a vantage point.
Someone's sneaking around.
Time to signal Baranor's men.
Ah, the lovely smell of man's here. Nothing is sweeter. Together, we will crush their defenses and grind them to dust. Together, as captains in Warchief united, we will have victory. Together, we take the city at dawn. Set them ablaze! For Gondor!
Now is the time to strike.
Watch out, he'll burn you alive! Fight, men of Gondor! Keep it watch up there!
And you're already distracted! The Ranger!
I'd say we're even. A good hunt. Less so for the Warchief.
And his archers. We should go hunting again.
It would be my pleasure.
So, Talion, did we make a difference?
We cannot see your lens. We must return to Shelob.
The only reason to go back is for my ring.
Enough! This is about more than your ring. Or you! Her sight may be what saves us all.